If you're not using AI tools in 2025, then you are seriously missing out. Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to share 5 amazing AI tools that are going to help you save time, make more money, and improve the overall quality of your professional life. And trust me, you are going to love the last tool. Let's start with the first one, Napkin AI. Napkin AI is an amazing tool that lets you create stunning infographics for free. All you have to do is head over to the Napkin AI website, create your free account, and then open a blank document. Write down the points or information you want in the infographic. Select the text and it's done. It instantly transforms it into beautiful designs. The best part is you can customize every aspect of it, from colors and fonts to layout and details. You can also download it in high quality as a PNG, PDF or even SVG. Over the past 2 weeks, I've used Napkin AI for creating presentation reports. It's super easy, saves hours of work and costs nothing compared to hiring a designer. Definitely check it out. Next up is CrewAI, a game changer for freelancers and business owners. If you are into lead generation or sales outreach, this tool will become your best friend. With CrewAI, you can set up a free account and then describe your customer, their location, industry, income range, team size, and more. It gives you a list of potential clients or businesses once you hit enter that match your criteria. CrewAI also enables you to send personalized emails to these leads according to their business needs and what you are offering. I've used other tools before, but CrewAI is on a different level. Whether you are running an agency or freelancing, this tool can help you grow your income and simplify your outreach process. Now let's talk about the third tool, Notebook LM by Google. This tool is a must-have for anyone who loves learning or doing research. Notebook LM can turn reports, blogs, or YouTube videos into audio podcasts. What's even cooler is that you can even interact with the content in real time. For example, if you're listening to a podcast version of an article by Elon Musk about the future of AI, you can pause and ask questions like, what does he mean by neural networks in this context? And the AI will explain it right there. It's like having a personal tutor available 24/7. You can upload PDFs, blogs, or videos, and Notebook LM provides context-based answers, making learning much faster and easier. Plus, it's completely free. CrewAI. This is one for anyone wanting to automate routine tasks. This tool will allow you to create workflows and assign AI agents to do boring, time-consuming jobs. Manage your emails, schedule tasks, or optimize workflows, and you can be assured that everything will go smoothly without a single finger moving. It's a massive productivity booster. Maestra is the fifth tool. If you are a professional working with videos or looking to make your content more accessible, Maestra is an incredible tool to have. It can add subtitles to your videos in over 125 languages within seconds, making it easy to reach a global audience. It can also translate and dub your videos while keeping the original tone and style intact. It can transcribe your Zoom meetings or video calls. It can quickly turn spoken content into accurate text. So here are 5 amazing AI tools that can change the way you work, make you earn more, and simplify your life. Which one of these are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more such content.